Hi again. This video is about algebraic products, and I'm hoping that you get to this in the second lesson of Monday. Please don't worry if some of this material seems too hard or too complicated. We will go over it and go over it again as soon as I get back, and you'll feel more comfortable with it, I promise. Again, we're working in the Algebra Review booklet, just a little bit further on than what we were doing earlier in the lesson. Okay, so we're doing multiplication, and basically we multiply the numbers and we multiply the letters. So let's do this first one together. We've got 2x times negative x squared. So the numbers 2 and negative 1 will give us negative 2, and the letters x times x squared will give us x cubed. Now if you're not sure why, let's write it out. X times x times x, there's our x squared, and altogether that gives us x cubed. We've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in the second one, we do the numbers first. Negative 4 times negative 2 gives us positive 8. Let's have a look at the letters one by one. There's only one A, and there's B times B squared, which gives us B cubed. Once again, you could write it out if you needed to, but you don't have to. Okay, I want you to do all the questions in box question 1, and then turn to the end of this video and check your answers. These are really tricky questions because it's got a minus sign here rather than a multiplication. So it's saying 5s times st minus 2s times 3s squared. So 5s times st gives us 5s squared t minus 6s squared t. So this is the same variable as this, so we just subtract the 5 and the 6 and end up with negative 1 s squared t. All these questions are the same. The first term plus the second term, so it's not multiplication. First term minus the second term, not multiplication. Have a go at the questions in this box, then check your answers at the end of the video. Let's look at some fractions. We're going to practice cancelling off the top and the bottom of the fractions. So we've got 10x to the 4th over 5x. So 10 over 5, or 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. We've got 4 x's on the top and 1 x on the bottom, so we can cross off 1, which leaves us with 2x cubed. Now I just want to make sure that you understand the difference between 10 over 5 and 5 over 10. So 5 over 10 is a different number to 10 over 5. We would divide the top and the bottom by 5 and end up with 1 over 2 x to the 4th over x, and that simplifies down to x cubed. Okay, last one. 2a cubed over b. So we've got 3a's over b, 8a over b squared. Now we can cross off 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom of the same number. Let's do the numbers first though. And there we go. So once again, do the questions in this box. Check your answers in the back of the video.